औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the topic constructions, in our previous video we have seen how to divide a given line segment in the given ratio. Now in today's video let us see how to construct similar triangle to the given triangle as per scale factor. So dear students, to the point view of your examination, this is very important part. One question you will be finding carrying 3 marks. So let us solve few of the examples. The first example is, draw a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So here the ratio 2/3 itself is called scale factor. Now draw a rough sketch ABC. Call the triangle ABC by taking 4 centimeter AB, 5 centimeter BC and 6 centimeter AC. Now to construct triangle ABC, draw a line segment measuring 5 centimeter and name this line segment as BC, and this BC will be the base of triangle ABC. Now the next step is, by taking 4 centimeter distance on compass with the help of scale, take 4 centimeter distance and assuming B as center, draw an arc towards the upper side. Now taking 6 centimeter distance on compass, assuming point C as center, and cut this arc to get one point, and you name that point as point A. Then from point A join to B, and again from point A join to C by means of line segments. This is ABC triangle. Now to construct a similar triangle to this triangle, you have to draw a ray BD making an angle, acute angle, with side BC of triangle ABC. The next step is, see the terms of the ratio 2 and 3. Among 2 and 3, 3 is the larger one. So you cut this ray by taking suitable distance on compass 3 times. 1, this is 2, and this is third one. You name these points as B1, B2 and this is B3. Now join B3 to C. The larger one you have to join to C, B3C. Now the next term of the ratio is 2, and 2 is here in the figure nothing but B2. From B2 to BC you have to draw one line parallel to B3C, and you know the method to draw parallel line to the given line you have seen in the previous part. Now taking certain distance, assuming B3 as center, drawing an arc, assuming B2 as center, drawing another arc. Okay, now the distance in between these points is to be taken on compass, and assuming this point as center, you have to cut this arc to get a point and draw a line passing through that point joining B2, and extend this line up to BC to meet BC at point C dash. So this B2 C dash is a line drawn parallel to B3C. So from C dash on to AB you have to draw one more parallel line which should be parallel to CA, and same procedure you have to follow, taking certain distance on compass, assuming C as center, cutting the sides by means of an arc, assuming C dash as center, drawing one more arc. Now taking the distance in between these 2 points, okay, assuming this point as center, cutting the arc to get a point, draw a line passing through from C dash and that point and extend it up to AB to get one point on AB as A dash. Now this A dash, B, C dash, this smaller triangle itself is a similar triangle to triangle ABC. So this is how a similar triangle is constructed to the given triangle as per the scale factor. So therefore you can write here A dash B C dash is similar triangle ABC. This is what the construction for the similar triangle to the given triangle by applying the given scale factor. Dear students, let us solve second example. Draw a triangle of sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So before construction, draw a rough sketch of triangle whose sides are 5, 6 and 7 cm. Okay, you name the triangle as ABC. You write 5 here, 6 here and 7 here. So looking towards this rough sketch, you complete the triangle ABC. Draw a line segment measuring 6 cm and name this line segment as BC, which will be the base of the triangle ABC. Now taking 5 cm distance on compass with the help of scale, you draw one arc by assuming B as center. Taking 7 cm distance on compass, assuming C as center, you cut this arc, previously drawn arc, to get a point. You name that point as A, join A to B and A to C to complete the triangle ABC. This is not new one, this is nothing but a revision. You have studied this in 7th and 8th standard. Now to construct similar triangle to this ABC, you have to draw a ray BD making an acute angle with BC. Name this point as D. So this BD is a ray which is making an acute angle with BC. See the terms of the ratio. Terms of the ratio are 7 and 5. Among the two, 7 is greater. So you have to cut this ray 7 times starting from point B. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4th one, this is 5th one, this is 6th one and this is 7th one. You name them as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and the last one is B7. Once again, see the terms of the ratio or fraction, you may call 7/5, whose denominator is 5 and this 5 will be represented by B5. So from B5 draw a line to C, or in other words join B5 C. So B5C will be a line segment. We have to draw from B7, we have to draw a line parallel to B5C, and for that you have to extend the side BC up to E. Alright, now draw a parallel line. You know the procedure. Draw an arc like this, assuming B7 as center. Draw another arc taking the in between distance of these 2 points, assuming this point as center, cutting the arc to get a point, and from that point you draw a line from B7 and let it cut the line BE at a point and call that point as C dash. So in the same way, you have to draw a parallel line to CA from C dash, and for this you have to extend the line BA. Okay, line BA is to be extended. You call this point as BF. So this point will be F. So BA is extended to up to F. Now from C dash you are going to draw a line parallel to CA, and for that same procedure you have to follow. Take the certain distance on compass, draw an arc, assuming C dash as center, drawing one more arc, taking the in between distance of these 2 points or these 2 lines, assuming this point as center, cutting the arc to get a point, draw a line joining C dash and that point and extend this line up to BF to meet BF at a point, and that point will be A dash. So here A dash, B, C dash, this larger triangle is similar triangle which is drawn to the original triangle ABC. So hence triangle A dash, B, C dash is similar triangle ABC. This is the solution for second example. Let us solve one more example. Example number 3. Draw a triangle PQR given PQ is equal to 3.8 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and PR is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Draw another triangle similar to triangle PQR whose sides are 5/4 to the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So this is rough sketch triangle PQR. PQ, the length of PQ is 3.8, length of QR is 5.5, and that of the length of PR is 6.3. Now draw a line measuring 5.5 centimeter which will be base of triangle PQR. You name it as QR. Then by taking say 3.8 centimeter distance on compass, assuming Q as center, draw an arc towards the upper side, and now take 6.3 centimeter distance on compass. Again with the help of scale, draw one more arc assuming R as center to get a point. Call that point as point P. Join P to R and P to Q to complete the triangle PQR. Now we are going to construct triangle similar to this triangle PQR, and for that you have to draw a ray making an acute angle with QR. You name this point as T. So QT is the ray which is making an acute angle with the side QR of triangle PQR. The next step is, see the terms of the ratio. One is 5, another one is 4. The larger or the greater one is 5. So you have to cut this ray QT 5 times. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, okay, this is 4, and this one is 5. You name them as Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4, and this is Q5. Now see the denominator of the ratio. Denominator of the ratio is 4. It means that we have to join Q4 to R. Okay, so now from Q5, because the next remaining term or the other term is 5, so from Q5 we have to draw one line parallel to Q4R which should meet QR at a certain point, and that point is to be named as R dash. So for that you have to extend this line QR, okay, up to say M. So draw a line parallel to Q4R from Q5, and you know the procedure. Draw an arc like this, assuming Q4 as center. Draw one more arc assuming Q5 as center. Then take the distance between these two lines, this line and this line. So with the same distance, you cut this arc by assuming this point as center to get a point. Draw a line joining Q5 and that point, extend it up to QM to meet at one point, and you know we have to name that point as R dash. Now from R dash you have to draw one line parallel to RP on QP. So for that again we have to extend QP up to say N. Extend QP up to N. So follow the procedure of constructing parallel line. So this is what we are doing. Okay, now take the distance in between, assuming this point as center, cut the arc to get one point. This is all mechanical work. Draw a line joining that point and R dash, extend it up to QN to meet at one point, call that point as P dash. Now here P dash, Q, R dash, this larger triangle is similar triangle to this smaller triangle or the original triangle or the given triangle PQR. Hence right here triangle P dash Q R dash is similar triangle PQR. So this is the solution towards this particular example based on to construct a similar triangle to the given triangle by following a scale factor. Dear students, to construct a triangle similar to the given triangle as per scale factor, we have seen 3 examples. Based on this, 2 examples I have given you for homework. Let me read these examples. Draw a triangle with sides 3, 4 and 5 centimeter and construct a triangle similar to it with scale factor 3/4. The next one is draw triangle ABC with AB 5, BC 7 and AC 6.5 centimeter and construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 5/3 to the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So I hope these 2 examples you will be able to solve. So in the next video let us solve few more examples on the same second part to construct a triangle similar to the given triangle as per the scale factor. Till then, goodbye.